guys, today we're going to review the Trunner Jordan LX OG shoes, which I really fell in love with. I just got a pair this year, and just wanted to show you. It's a little different than your standard Air Jordan type style, but they are really comfortable, and I think they're great for many different things. Training, the gym, walking, just like a really nice comfort. So they come in the typical Jumpman style box. These are actually a size 8. And here it says Jordan Trunner LX OG. These are called black/white Team Royal. So it's basically a royal blue and black. And I just wanted to show some up-close pics for you. So it has they're really light, number one. Let me take the stuffing out that it came with. And it has a nice lightweight mesh, actually, 2 types of mesh on the front. It's almost like a little square pattern. And then it has a smaller, kind of more like a dot diamond pattern. And when I read, this is a leather toe guard, and then a little extra toe accents. Gives you nice support and protects the mesh, I'd say, on the front. And then we have a blue mesh on the back. And this is actually, I was reading a leather, a little extra leather support, which makes it nice. This is just a shiny metal, it's not real metal, metal looking heel guard. Apparently they used to have real metal way back in the day on these, and they had some trouble with that. So now it's just a shiny looking nice accent. Nice heel. This is I just love these. These heels are just so stable when you're walking. You don't feel the ground. It's just really nice. And apparently, I got my phone out because I was reading the description. It says it has a 4-foot Zoom air unit, whatever that is, but it makes it feel good. And also a encapsulated air sole unit in the heel, helps cushion hard landings and returns energy. So they got some kind of air going on back in here. You don't have the bubbles or anything to see it, but it feels really nice. Really good support. The bottom has the Jordan name on there. Right in the middle, it's like a little shiny, glossy arch. The arch is very comfortable. It looks like it's a little higher, but it doesn't bother you. You really don't notice it. It just feels like a nice support. And then as far as the outside, it has a lot of, which is different. Like most people are used to all the lacing up, and I was like, I don't know, but because I'm not a big fan of Velcro, but it's a real easy, I'm going to show you in a few minutes, like a real easy on and off type shoe. You can get them on and off really quickly. It has an adjustment Velcros on both sides, both the inside, and then you can snug that up. Another Velcro out here on the outside. It has a little bit of play to it, so you can adjust that. The front just says, on these it just has the Jordan name. There's nothing really, just the Jumpman on the, it's like a little tab here in the front. And it has a Jumpman on the little metal, non-metal, metallic looking shiny area. Jumpman here. And on the inside, you can see that. Jumpman. Really nice shoe. And then I have I love them so much, I actually bought a couple colors because I hit a really good sale online. Finish Line had a nice sale. So I ended up getting a couple pairs to go with a couple outfits. So I'm going to show you those real quick. These are the black and yellow style. If you have some, basically black, yellow, the Jumpman's in a yellow, black. The soles are also black and yellow. Side. So those are pretty, I thought those were pretty cool. And then we also have the gray and white. I think they call this actually a wolf gray. This one has the gray, the white, some black accents. It's still the metallic. And then the actual strap has the black dot accents with the Jordan in black. And this is also in black. So, we'll go with the white, the black, the gray, go all 3 colors with that one. And then the little accent pads are just the blended in, kind of the wolf gray they call it. And the sole is the gray. So it's kind of nice. They have all these different colors. They also make them in white. They have a really nice red and black. They have still some of those. Convey that on to you all. So I'm going to put on my blue and whites. Now you can see the Velcro strap is still secure on here. All the straps are secure. So what I like, I can just basically put my foot in these. And there's actually, well, let me show you too before I do it. There's a little hook on the back that I just grab. And I'm going to kind of see now. So I can just slip those on. No tying, no lacing, you're good. And the same with taking them off. Just slip them off. So I don't know, I thought that was just one of the really nice things about these. I can just grab these and go if I'm in a hurry. And not have to adjust them and not have to adjust the Velcro. You know, once you get it set, just then you pull up on this little hook, which is a really nice feature. You don't have to put your finger down in your heel and adjust it and everything. So I have them on feet. I just had to add too, I've seen on some other YouTuber reviews that people kind of make a little bit of fun of these. They say, oh, they look like Crocs. But if they're Crocs, they're Nike Crocs, whatever. I don't think they look like them or feel like them, but doesn't bother me. I think they're great shoes. So I wanted to show how nice these are for the gym, and one of the things I love to do at the gym is the like spin bike or stationary bike. And these are just so nice. They're stable enough. They just sit on the pedals, secure your feet, and they're very light. They don't bend. But and even if you have like the toe clips, which I don't really care for, they'll fit in those. But I really like them for the gym and especially the bike.